For months, astronomers described 3I ATLAS as a spectacular but harmless visitor, an interstellar object that would sweep through our solar system, pass safely beyond Mars, and continue its lonely journey back into the darkness between the stars. It sounded like the perfect scientific opportunity. A rare traveler from another planetary system, offering clues about worlds we may never see. But as more observations arrived from the James Webb Space Telescope and major observatories around the world, the story became far more intriguing. Not because the object suddenly threatened humanity, but because every new measurement seemed to reveal another layer of mystery. When 3I ATLAS was first detected, astronomers immediately recognized that it was extraordinary. It wasn't orbiting the Sun like ordinary asteroids or familiar comets. Instead, it followed a hyperbolic trajectory, proving it had entered our solar system from interstellar space. Its immense speed alone made it remarkable. Objects traveling between stars preserve information from environments completely different from our own, making every observation scientifically invaluable. Researchers quickly began calculating its orbit, estimating its size, and analyzing its brightness, hoping to understand what this ancient traveler was made of before it disappeared forever into the galaxy. At first glance, its brightness appeared unusual. The amount of sunlight reflected from its surface didn't perfectly match early estimates of its size. Several explanations were proposed. Perhaps the object possessed an unusually reflective surface. Perhaps its irregular shape caused sunlight to scatter in unexpected ways. Or perhaps its composition differed significantly from anything commonly observed inside our own solar system. None of these possibilities required extraordinary explanations, yet together they suggested that 3I ATLAS was unlike the countless asteroids and comets astronomers routinely study. Naturally, the James Webb Space Telescope became one of the most important instruments investigating the object. Webb's powerful infrared detectors can measure subtle temperature variations and identify chemical signatures impossible to observe with ordinary telescopes. Scientists expected those observations to reveal whether the object consisted primarily of ice, rock, carbon compounds, or some combination of all three. Instead, Webb's data painted a more complicated picture. Certain infrared wavelengths behaved differently than expected, hinting at a composition that may differ substantially from familiar solar system bodies. Rather than solving the mystery, Webb expanded it. As additional observations accumulated, researchers noticed another fascinating detail. The object's activity appeared to evolve as it traveled closer to the Sun. Small amounts of gas seemed to escape from its surface, producing changes in brightness that astronomers continue studying today. Such activity is not unusual for icy bodies warmed by increasing sunlight. However, understanding exactly how those gases escape helps scientists determine the object's internal structure and composition. Every measurement adds another piece to a puzzle that remains frustratingly incomplete. The discovery naturally revived memories of the first confirmed interstellar visitor, Oumuamua, detected in 2017. That mysterious object displayed unexpected acceleration after passing the Sun, sparking years of scientific debate. Some researchers suggested unfamiliar natural processes explained its motion, while others argued that every possibility deserved careful examination. A few years later, comet Borisov provided a second example of an interstellar visitor, demonstrating chemical characteristics unlike those found in most solar system comets. Now 3I ATLAS offers astronomers an invaluable third opportunity to compare visitors from entirely different stellar systems. Because these objects are so rare, every unusual observation inevitably generates dramatic speculation. Online discussions quickly filled with claims that 3I ATLAS might be an alien spacecraft, a robotic probe, or evidence of extraterrestrial engineering. Some pointed to its brightness, others to its trajectory, and still others to subtle variations in its activity. Yet professional astronomers continue emphasizing that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. So far, no verified observations indicate artificial propulsion, engineered structures, intentional navigation, or communication signals. While such possibilities remain fascinating to imagine, current evidence continues to support natural explanations. Even so, it is easy to understand why discoveries like this capture the imagination. Humanity has spent decades wondering whether advanced civilizations might someday send autonomous probes across interstellar distances. Scientists themselves have explored theoretical concepts involving robotic explorers capable of surviving millions of years while traveling between stars. Such missions remain extraordinarily challenging but are not forbidden by known physics. If one were ever discovered, it would almost certainly begin as an astronomical mystery. That possibility alone ensures every interstellar object receives extraordinary attention from both scientists and the public. Another important question concerns how common these visitors really are. Until 2017, no confirmed interstellar objects had ever been observed. Then came Oumuamua. 2 years later, Borisov. Now 3I, ATLAS joins that short list. Some researchers believe improved telescope technology simply allows us to detect objects that were always passing through unnoticed. Others suspect future sky surveys may discover dozens every year. If that happens, astronomers will finally possess enough examples to understand how planetary systems exchange material across the Milky Way. Webb's observations also provide an opportunity to investigate the chemistry of another stellar system. Every molecule detected within 3I, ATLAS formed around a distant star under conditions entirely different from those that shaped Earth and our neighboring planets. By analyzing isotopes, minerals, and organic compounds preserved inside the object, scientists can reconstruct aspects of planetary formation occurring light years away. In effect, this visitor carries a geological record from another corner of our galaxy, offering information that no spacecraft could realistically collect for centuries. Perhaps the most remarkable aspect of the discovery is how it reshapes our understanding of the solar system itself. For generations, people imagined our planetary neighborhood as relatively isolated. Interstellar visitors reveal something very different. Objects constantly travel between stars, crossing unimaginable distances over millions of years before occasionally wandering through another planetary system. Every one of those travelers connects distant civilizations, distant planets, and distant histories in ways we are only beginning to appreciate. As observations continue, astronomers remain focused on evidence rather than speculation. Each new image refines the object's orbit. Every spectrum improves estimates of its composition. Every thermal measurement strengthens models describing how interstellar bodies behave when approaching a star. The scientific process may seem slower than sensational headlines, but history repeatedly demonstrates that careful observation ultimately reveals far more than dramatic assumptions ever could. There is also something profoundly inspiring about this moment. For the first time in human history, we possess instruments powerful enough to examine objects that formed around other suns. A generation ago, such observations would have been impossible. Today, the James Webb Space Telescope allows scientists to investigate these visitors with astonishing precision, transforming brief cosmic encounters into opportunities for genuine discovery. Each new observation reminds us how rapidly astronomy continues advancing. Whether 3I, ATLAS ultimately proves to be an unusual comet, an ancient rocky fragment, or something that challenges existing theories of planetary formation, its importance is already secure. It demonstrates that our galaxy is far more dynamic than once believed. Material moves between stars. Planetary systems exchange debris across immense distances. Every interstellar object carries the history of another world, preserved through millions of years of travel before briefly crossing humanity's line of sight. The universe has always rewarded curiosity. Every time we build a better telescope, the cosmos answers with another surprise. Sometimes those surprises confirm existing theories. Other times they reveal questions no one thought to ask. 3i, ATLAS belongs firmly in that second category. It reminds us that discovery rarely arrives with certainty. Instead, it begins with mystery, grows through observation, and eventually transforms our understanding of reality. For now, the James Webb Space Telescope continues tracking this remarkable traveler as it makes its brief passage through our solar system. Scientists will keep measuring, comparing, and questioning until the final observations fade into the distance. Long after 3i, ATLAS disappears into interstellar space once again, the information it leaves behind will continue shaping astronomy for decades. The greatest lesson may not be that this object is extraordinary. It may be that our universe is filled with countless extraordinary things still waiting to be discovered. Every visitor from another star reminds us that we are not standing at the edge of the cosmos. We are living within it, surrounded by stories that began billions of years before humanity ever looked up at the night sky.